In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete emails in Yahoo Mail. If your inbox has gotten out of control, this quick cleanup will help you reclaim space and make it easier to find the messages that actually matter. Start by opening your web browser and heading to yahoo.com. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site so you can sign in securely. If you're already logged in, you can move right along. If not, look to the top right and click sign in. Enter your username and password and complete any verification prompts you might see. Keep your credentials private and avoid signing in on public computers whenever possible. Once you're signed in, click the mail icon at the top right to open Yahoo Mail. This takes you into your mailbox view. On the left-hand sidebar, select Inbox to see your incoming messages. If you use folders or categories, make sure you're in the main inbox so you're working on the correct list of emails. To bulk delete, look to the top left of your message list for the master checkbox. This checkbox selects all messages currently visible on that page. Click it and you'll see check marks appear next to the emails in view. If there are a few messages you want to keep, you can quickly uncheck those specific items before proceeding. This is a good moment to scan your selection and make sure nothing important is included. With your messages selected, click Delete at the top of the page. You'll typically see a trash can icon or a delete label. This action moves the selected emails to your trash folder. That means they're not immediately gone forever, which is helpful if you realize you removed something by mistake. Yahoo usually retains items in trash for a period before permanently removing them automatically. If you have a very large inbox, remember that the master checkbox selects only the messages visible on the current screen or page. You may need to repeat the select and delete process until you've cleared as much as you want. A helpful tip is to work in batches and pause to confirm that your most recent messages or important conversations are safe before continuing. That's all there is to it. You went to Yahoo, signed in, opened mail, navigated to the inbox, selected the messages using the top left checkbox, and clicked delete to bulk remove them. Take a breath and enjoy the cleaner inbox. If this helped, keep these steps handy the next time you want to tidy up quickly.